Hey guys, Jagus here. This is Jagus Reviews. Alright, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the W King D9-1. So they already had the D9 version out, but I guess they updated it, the firmware and everything like that. So this is the newer D9-1. It says 60 watts output power, waterproof, 7.2 volt, 5200 milliamp battery. So not the biggest battery. It says deep bass. And I did look online and it said something about like 3.7 inch woofers, which is actually decent for a mid-sized speaker like this. And like 1.2 inch tweeters, I believe. So really not bad. These things run anywhere from about $75 up to, I think I saw them around like $89. So kind of a more budget Bluetooth if you're not going to spend $375 on the JBL Extreme, you know. This might be good, but let's see what's inside. Alright, so not a whole lot, looks like. Got the speaker. Alright, so we got the W King user manual, pretty big. Accessories. So just a USB-C cord, and not a bad little cord actually. Also a aux cord, so not bad. Alright. Okay, so here it is. Actually feels pretty decent. I would say it is very similar to the Extreme 3 size. So here's the passive radiator that it has. Let's go ahead and see real quick. So it looks like we've got USB-C. That is going to be TF card slot, aux in, and then a USB out. So you can charge your phone with this, but it doesn't have a massive battery. So I don't know if you would want to do that, but it does have an EQ button up top. It's got the minus and plus, so volume up, volume down. We've got the play and pause, I'm assuming. So let's see if it's got some juice. And we do have juice. Alright guys, let's go ahead and do a sound sample on it. Alright, so I've got it on. Hopefully it's got enough battery to give us a quick sound sample. Alright, let's see. We got it at 50%. I haven't changed the EQ or anything like that. Let's go. Hit the EQ. Just match the bass EQ. Let's try something with some lyrics.
You will never understand what I went through.
Bump it up.
You never were a good listener.
About 65%.
A good listener. You will never understand what you put me through, and you never be a good lover. A good lover. At first I believed I was the lucky one, but I was just fooling myself. Fooling myself.
do rap real quick. Full volume.
Time to run it off. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up. Flex. Thumb down now. Check. No drip this. Wet. Time to run it off. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Time to run it off. I wake up. Flex. Thumb down now. Check. No drip this. Wet. Time to run it off. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Time to run it off. 9 out of 10, run through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turn to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'll make my grade.
Alright guys, I think that's good for a sound sample. We'll do it up against the Zealot S79 and a few of these other speakers that I have, like the Raycon and stuff like that. But I am very impressed for a $75 to $89 speaker. Like, very good. It definitely... So the treble mode seemed a little on the harsher side, just in the higher volumes. So definitely a mode that you're probably going to want to use outside to get that loudness out. You're going to get the sound out. But the bass is actually really good on this thing. It's got a ton of bass, especially for something set in such a small package, much like the size of the JBL Extreme 3. The Zealot's behind it, although I think the Zealot might be a little bit slightly bigger. We'll put it up against the UE Epic Boom and a few of these other speakers, give it a go. But I am very satisfied. I mean, for $75, $89, $90 all around, not bad. Very satisfied. I will definitely be using this little thing. I'm going to try a few of their other speakers. I also have had the W King T11, which I'm going to be getting another one of those. And all in all, I really do like their products. They seem pretty dang decent, especially for the price point. You really can't go wrong. So I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Let's go ahead and put it up against probably the Zealot next, just to give you, because they're both kind of base machines for their size. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.